Okay, MediaPlayer under 1 minute. MediaPlayer is made up from a widget that is a image with a media texture. The media texture is part of the MediaPlayer. You should click user interface. Sorry, media. Yep, and it's gonna be over here. When you go into the media texture, you select the media player over here. You also, if you wanna set the list of play things that you wanna play in the correct order, you set it over here. Also, you can check whatever you need to look under. If you wanna stop the look, it's even showed over here that it started playing as a media texture. If you wanna control the play, you know, the playback of the video, there's ways to do it. When you're creating the widget itself, you can create variable in here. You should click over here, type whatever you want, then you go over here, type in media player, should pop out object reference. Then you need to, when you are creating the widget, you should pull out from the return value, type in open source. It's gonna convert into the media variable. It's gonna let you control the playback, and from this point you can control the playback like this: play and seek, pause, open URL, other stuff you can do, and that's pretty much it. If you're gonna have a bug where it doesn't play any sound when you're creating the widget itself for the media player, remember to set the base sound mix so it knows in what channel it needs to play, or rather class. If you are gonna use it on a okay, to be honest, I don't know how to do it. I have paused the recording so I could check in, but I don't know how. So if you have any questions, please write them in the comment section and I'll guide you through the process of controlling MediaPlayer. MediaPlayer has been in a lot of chaos over the past versions of Unreal Engine, because they have kept changing shit. So it's quite understandable that it's gonna be annoying. So I think that's pretty much it for the MediaPlayer. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section.